Hello,
Hi.
hello.
Hello.
Hi. Okay,
How are
so
you?
happy, guys.
All the warriors are here.
All the warriors are here. So,
Yeah.
we call this our attempt of saying something like the stars meet our heroes. And I think all you guys are absolutely our heroes. You've been striving so hard. And, in an attempt to just spread maybe smiles to you and your colleagues, Dr. Rukshada and me and some of us have, really thought that, okay, let's put this together. Because we've seen that in these times where you are not meeting your friends, you guys are not going home, you all have no backup, and we really, I don't know to do what to cheer you up. And I think, Vikram, thank you so much for agreeing to talk to them, because they've been really waiting to do this. And I don't think he
In
needs.
Sejal, they
Sorry.
have got a horror filmmaker to make them feel better. It's
I was
just
just going to say that
ironic.
we know that you are a
It's
director,
kind of
producer, screenwriter, actor, but apart from the horror films and hair rising stories that you really share with us, we are very, very happy with the drama and the fun movies you make too. So I think
Yes, we
a
enjoy
whole lot
that.
of people are very, very excited. So I'm going to let you take over, Vikram. Let's have a nice chat with these guys and let's make them smile.
so. Basically, I'm now become a series guy.
Vikram, can you be a little
But
louder?
I said now I have become a web series guy.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
what people tell me.
Yes.
They say, sir, we like your web series a lot. I was like, hey, I made Gulam and I made Raz. Yeah, but we like Maya a lot. I was like, "Acha, theek hai." So you guys have fought COVID and come back also.
Yes.
It's an
Yes,
ongoing
sir.
process, I
Actually,
guess.
we are on duty, so it depends on our schedule and our timetable, how it goes about.
No,
I
I
think
believe
one of
some.
y'all has been COVID positive, right?
Yes, me. I was COVID positive, then finished my quarantine, and I've joined back since the last week.
Wow, you're brave. Yeah.
We have
Look,
to. The nation needs us.
I write a small story on my Instagram every morning.
Okay.
So my story today reads that the guy says, I have tested positive. So the girl says, what do you mean? He says, I mean, I might die. So the girl says, then you better start living. And so I feel that people don't live and they are so scared of dying. And look at you people, all are so brave, immensely brave. So thank you for everything you guys are doing. But I want to ask each and every one of you, some of you all have muted your mics, but that's a good thing. So I can see Apurva first. She's a shy girl, very, very shy. Uh, what is the first thing you're going to do after this lockdown ends? After this line is flattened, what is the first thing?
I'm going to go home.
Just going to go home. That's it.
I just want to see my parents. I mean, although they live in Thane, but I haven't been home in 3 months now.
How many days since you haven't seen them?
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
My God. What about you, Nitisha Keswani? You have already fought it once and come back.
Yeah, actually, I live at home only. But when we have provided quarantine facilities, I go there. But now, since after I was positive, I had to be quarantined again at home for 14 days. So I'm meeting
So
my parents, but I don't meet my friends.
there is a feedback from your side. I think you have also put on the phone or something.
Okay.
There is some feedback. Wow. So Shariva Rani Dev, Rani Dev.
Randive. Shariva Randive.
So you have a do not disturb sign behind you.
Okay.
Is there one
No.
on the door?
No.
It's me, sir. I have.
That is you. Tejaswini. So
Yes, sir.
you go inside the
Sir,
toilet
Yeah.
and nobody
It's
can
my
disturb you,
thinking room.
basically.
Yeah. It's my thinking room. I get some peace there, so I can. It's my thinking booth. So I
Tell
just.
me the two most important things that came to you in that room when you were not being disturbed. The two most, or forget two, the single most important realization that came to you in that room.
Okay, so actually, I'm a psychiatry resident in JJ Hospital. So we need that mental peace, and in this hostel, in this single room, 4 or 5 residents are there. So it's the only thing I go inside and think about my patients and all the mental illnesses, problems, and how can I help them, especially in this COVID situation. People are so much into stress, anxiety, have sleep disturbances, everything. So I just go there, just with along with my normal COVID duty as a psychiatrist. How can I help them to achieve their emotional sanity? Like, how can I just help them to reduce the.
Even when you go inside the D&D place, you are, where did you go? Yeah.
Yes.
Even when you go there, you think about your patients only, and you think about COVID only. So
Yes,
what is the point of going inside?
So because nowadays that is the only thing we wake up, we are into like, okay, now I have to let it go back to ward, and I have to wear PPE, everything. And next duty when I go, there are no patients. Like 2-3 patients are again shifted to ICU. They're critical a night before I leave the ward, and I can't see them anymore. I don't know where they go.
Okay,
And that is very disturbing.
You guys are very boring. Y'all only talk about the COVID. I am not interested in talking about the COVID. Tell me, how many of y'all are in a relationship? Let's talk the most important thing. Manan, you are in a relationship.
Yes, sir.
Where is your girlfriend? Or are you married?
Sir, no, sir, I'm not married.
Are you married in a relationship?
Yeah, so she's my girlfriend, and she's doing her duty in Surat, sir, Gujarat. So we are currently in a long distance relationship, sir.
So how many days since you haven't met?
Sir, 4 months.
Are you happy?
Of course not, sir. I'm longing to meet her. I'm
not yet married yet, so we are not asking him that yet.
Yeah, we're not. So the lockdown has made you feel what a beautiful girl she is and how important she is to you.
Sir, yes, the lockdown has made me realize what is important to be physically in contact with each other, and just talking is on phone, and talking is not it's just one part of the relationship, but to be with each other and to feel the warmth, that is one of the more important thing of a relationship. That's what I realized during this period.
Love. See, I'm a filmmaker, so I see love stories and horror stories. So I'm seeing love in the time of COVID happening here. Sharifa?
Yeah.
Are you in a relationship?
Right now, actually, I'm too worked up with the COVID duties, and I'm the general secretary.
Hey, your voice is echoing like some booth.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just wanted to say that actually the thing
it is still echoing like this.
Try again, Shariva.
Try again, Shariva.
Hello?
It's on some echo mode. Maybe you can just sort that issue.
I think you know what, you have to go into your laptop, and your mic mic volume must be very high. When your mic volume is very high, it echoes.
Hello?
Yeah, much better. Now we can't see you though, but we can hear you.
Yeah, just a second.
No, still. What about you, Abhishek? Are you in a relationship, Mr.
I am, yes, sir. My girlfriend, she's in Sion actually, and I'm working at KM. So it's like at the end of the day, we both.
At the end of the day, both of y'all meet.
No. We end up having stories like what we did in the what happened today. So that's pretty much what's happening these days.
From Sion Hospital to KM Hospital, you can't meet.
We have met a couple of times, but obviously maintaining social distancing and stuff. It's not the same.
अभी वो लॉकडाउन के लिए सब झूठ बोल रहा है तू यार. सच बोलना. लॉकडाउन तोड़ के कितनी बार मिला?
We're on a public forum, so I think it's best to maintain diplomacy here.
I like that.
So you meet every day.
Not really.
Almost every day, but the thing is that you cannot say it here on this forum because people shout at you.
Let's just go with that.
Let me tell you, for doctors like you, they should arrange cars to go and meet their girlfriend. Because whatever people can do for you is less. Because what you are doing for the community, you should be given that, what is that? That Garud one. Go to Sion Hospital to meet your girlfriend and come back.
That would be wonderful.
You want to try again?
Yeah.
Shriva?
Yeah, so actually I've been working for COVID-19 duty everywhere, like at screening OPD, fever OPD, at Kasturba, I was posted in Kasturba wards, at Mohalla clinics, community screening, and for HCQ duty in Sion Hospital. And actually I'm the General Secretary of Central Mart, so been too busy with the Mart work at present. Like I distributed via my donors, I distributed PPs and infrared thermometers to all the BMC and GMC colleges in Maharashtra. So we too worked up with all the work.
You are not answering my question. Are you in a relationship?
Frankly speaking, I don't have time right now for even eating food. So I really don't know.
Let me tell all of y'all, this girl is lying. She is hiding a relationship. I know this look. I have lived this look. It is that Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling lies.
No. No, not really. There is really no time. I mean, I hardly get time to meet my family members also. My brother's also on COVID duty. So we don't have time at all.
Mohish?
Hi,
Mohish
sir.
Vora. Hi.
Yes, sir.
Where are
Hi,
you
sir.
right
Sir, sir, just I completed my ICU duty 2 days ago, and now I'm in quarantine.
In quarantine? Why? You got
Yes.
plus positive.
No, sir. We are posted for 7 days, and 7 days we are given off, which is called as quarantine days. So I just completed my ICU posting 2 days ago, and since 5 days more are left to go back to work.
You look like a kind of guy who likes bikes.
Yes, sir.
You like, na?
Yeah, sir. During my UG days, but after I started my residencies, I'm not used to ride bike in Mumbai.
Which bike you like?
I had R15 during my UG days.
Yeah. So if there's one thing that you want somebody to give you, what would it be? That right now मेरे को बस ये मिल जाए तो life बन जाए.
A private jet.
Wow.
ऐसा नहीं रहेगा बा. वो तो सिर्फ मुकेश अंकल के पास जाना पड़ेगा और किसी के पास नहीं है.
No, sir. I will take that private jet. I have enlisted some countries which are still COVID free. I'll go there and live happily.
Oh. But people like you are making this country COVID free. That is the beauty.
Yes, sir. But after making this country COVID free, I can also use that jet to just.
Let me tell you a very strange story. One day I went to an astrologer.
Yes, sir.
And I was showing him my kundli and he says, what do you want to ask? So I said, tell me, when will I be Spielberg? I want to be Steven Spielberg. When will I be? So he started laughing. So I said, why are you laughing? He said, 2 days back, there was a boy who had come here and he was asking, when will I be Vikram Bhatt?
Yes.
So you want to go to another country, but maybe some other country person is saying, I want to go in the country where Moise is there because I will feel safe. That can also be.
Yes, sir, possible.
रामचंद्र के फेस पे ऐसा है कि अभी सबका टाइम आ गया है तो मेरा टाइम अभी आने वाला है 110. Where are you, Ramchandra?
Right now, I'm in quarantine, sir. I finished my COVID duty 5 days back, and I'm waiting to go back.
Finished your COVID duties 5 days back.
Yes, sir.
So all of you all basically are in Bombay, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Main Bombay principality. Ramchandra, tell me one
Ji, sir.
thing.
Yes, sir.
See, I know that there is sadness and death around all of you all. More than all of us are seeing. We are hearing about it, you all are seeing. But tell me one great human story that you will never forget.
Of this COVID
Yeah.
times.
Yeah. Tell me one thing that you will say, कि यार ये नहीं भूलूंगा मैं.
Okay. Like for me, I won't be forgetting the time I had with my patients. Like I'm a psychiatry resident. I don't forget the things, the times I be with them. That is for me.
मगर किसी ने आपको कुछ ऐसा बोला कि किसी ने आपको कुछ कहा कि आपके आंख में आंसू आ गए कि आपको लगा कि यार साइकेट्रिस्ट बन के कमाल कर दिया.
हाँ सर, ऐसा तो मोस्ट ऑफ द ओपीडीज में होता रहता है, बट दैट इज व्हाई आई accumulate that thing and I say कि my time with the patient is the like the time for me.
You love your patients, huh?
Yes.
You don't seem to be in a relationship.
That is.
हाँ? Censored है?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
बोल भी दिया censored है. पगले. शरीवा से कुछ सीखा नहीं.
Relationship ऐसी है सर कि वो हम छुपा नहीं सकते. Like one or the other way it comes out.
ये बात तो है. कोविड की तरह है. चाइना ने कितना भी कोशिश किया बाहर आ ही जाता है.
Yes, sir.
अभिषेक बहुत हंस रहा है. Abhishek, you
It's
have
true,
some.
it's true what he said.
So it feels to me that all of you are in a relationship. Apurva, are you?
No.
But you are actually genuinely feeling bad about it. You wish you were in a relationship. Huh? That's sweet. So after the COVID, we are going to pray to get you on Tinder. All of us are going to make a profile for Apurva. We are going to make sure that. So, see, something is coming to me slowly. A plot is coming to me where we can use Shariva's fantastic organizational capacities to organize a fantastic profile for Apurva and set up a date, and Moise can give his private jet for that date. Huh?
That would be nice.
That will be nice. And Ramchandra knows the problems of it coming out too soon, so he will know how to hide it. Abhishek is a danger man here because he might squeal to everyone. So you can see the whole gang here can really help you out here. So after Mission COVID is to get Mission Apurva. Right? So y'all have now how much? Y'all have how much free time? Y'all don't have free time. Now y'all will have to rush again.
Sir, in evening duties.
The duties are 12 hours.
12 hours. The duty is for
Yeah,
12 hours.
12 hours duty and then we are free for 12 hours. Then next day duty again.
you know, जब हम लोग शूटिंग करते हैं ना, तो we say कि यार, like one of my films, Raz, the climax of Raz was not getting over only. It was so long and so difficult, and I kept on begging the producer for one more day. और मुझे लगता था कब खत्म होगा यार. तो आप लोग को भी लगता होगा कब खत्म होगा.
We are
लेकिन
just waiting.
आप लोग को क्या लगता है? Tell me, Nitasha, when do you feel कब खत्म होगा?
But we have no idea कब खत्म होगा, because cases don't seem to go down at all. They are just on a rise. We are praying कि जल्दी खत्म हो, so that everybody is back to their normal life. Doctors, non-doctors, all of us.
That is true. And the weight on y'all is phenomenal. It's
Tremendous.
too much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Since we have only 5 minutes left, I'm going to ask any of y'all if y'all have a question for him, because I think the meeting will be on an auto shut and then you'll not get a chance. So do any of y'all have any questions for him? You can also be personal. He's asked you a lot of stuff.
सर ये क्वारंटाइन पीरियड में आपने कैसे टाइम यूटिलाइज किया?
इतना बोर हुआ हूँ मैं ना, इतना क्या बताऊँ. लेकिन I'm a very restless person, busybody. कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ता है मेरे को. So I have been writing a lot because I'm a writer. So luckily that I can do. Then I'm a gamer. I like PS4.
Okay. अभी कौन सा गेम खेल रहे थे?
F1.
Okay.
F1 2019. And I'm a big F1 fan. F1 series cancel हो गई तो मेरे को बहुत दुख हुआ. लेकिन now, do you know that the F1 series is happening in a virtual world?
I know, sir.
There is this game called F1 2019.
Okay.
And all the drivers of the world, most of the good drivers, are coming online just for the fans. And they are having work just so that the fans can watch on TV.
Okay.
आप लोग के पास तो टाइम नहीं है. लेकिन मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है. क्या करें? Riva, you want to say something, but you're thinking whether you should say it or not.
Nothing like that. Actually, thanks a lot for getting time out for all of us. And it's been a lovely interaction, something really not imagined and not thought about. And taking away a lot of new things and very, very different conversation.
You know, I have so much respect for you all.
It's been
And
so
I have a last question.
every day with either with patients or everyone around. We are just talking of COVID. And like, so today speaking to you, it was like at least we had some different conversation leaving the COVID stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
मेरे को COVID मालूम ही नहीं. You can't talk COVID with me. इसको COVID मालूम ही नहीं है. अभी आप लोग बोलेंगे ये तो मैं बोलूँगा ये. आप लोग बोलेंगे वो तो मैं बोलूँगा वो. So but I know that the entire country, entire city feels so much gratitude for people, for doctors like you. And you know, जो पॉजिटिव कोविड होके रेस्ट लेके वापस आना, मेरी माँ तो बोलती जाने दे बेटा जाने दे.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Unbelievable. My thanks, the thanks of my city, the thanks of my country. You all make me very, very proud.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
So thank you guys really for joining us. I think it's been fabulous, and I hope that our attempt that, you know, we just want to bring out smiles in you, because, you know, being a frontline worker ourselves, you know how hard things are and how depressing things can really be. So, you know, I hope that we've managed to smile on you for the time to come until, you know, we get over this COVID nonsense, really.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
this
Really,
was a great session.
it was a great session, ma'am.
Thank you,
Sejal, I want
Vikram.
to-
Can't thank you enough to really join us and take out your time for us. Thank you. Sorry, you're saying something.
Yeah, I'm saying that, what I was trying to say is that what you're doing is something so good. You're obviously a doctor and at the front line, but doing this interaction, very good.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
So the meeting's
Thank you.
coming to an end.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
for joining in.
ma'am.
Thank you, Vikram, so much. And let's be in
Thank you.
touch soon again. If you're
Yes,
not taking any
love-
pictures, pass them on to me on the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye,
Yes, ma'am.
bye.
Bye, bye.
Thanks,
Bye,
everyone.
sir.
Thanks.
Bye,
Vikram.
sir.
Bye.